Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out of Gmail on all other computers, devices, phones tutorial. If you want to sign your Gmail account out from other devices, this process is done through your Google account security settings. It's a useful step if you've signed in on a shared computer, replaced an old phone, or just want to make sure only your current devices still have access. Begin by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you're on the main Gmail screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access your broader Google account settings. From that menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the central dashboard where Google lets you control account details, privacy, and security. Since device access is handled under your account protection options, the next area you need is security and sign in. After you open the security section, scroll down through the page until you find the area related to your devices. Here, you're looking for the option labeled Manage All Devices. This section shows where your Google account is currently signed in or has recently been active. It can help you identify computers, phones, or tablets that still have access to your Gmail and other Google services. Click on Manage All Devices to open the full list. You'll now see the devices connected to your account. Take a moment here to review the list carefully so you can choose the correct one. If you're logging out of an old or unfamiliar device, select that device to open more details. Once you've opened the device details, click Sign Out. This will remove your Google account from that device and log it out of Gmail and other associated Google services. This is especially helpful if the device is no longer in your possession or if you simply don't want it connected anymore. If you need to remove access from more than one device, go back and repeat the same process for each one. Continue selecting a device, opening its details, and clicking Sign Out until you've finished reviewing the list. As a final tip, make sure you do not sign out of the device you're currently using unless that's your intention. It's also a good idea to review the device names and activity information carefully before confirming. And that's how to log out of Gmail on all other computers, devices, and phones.